I'm going to focus in on today what sacks you may want to take with you when you're going to a formal event. These are the 5 that I choose in the winter time. And I'm looking at this particular winter, and I'll go over a few that I've chosen for previous winters or throughout the year. Let me start off with, let's say that you're going to something that is black tie, very formal. This Wenger Eurogrip 14 Dynasty series is a great one to take. Why? Isn't it obvious? It's black. It's got a little royal emblem on it. I don't know if you can see that. That is very nice. So when you pull it out, it feels elegant. It feels like you're important to people, especially at a black tie event. What does it have with it? This is basically, or the closest thing to now would be the huntsman. But this has been around for a while. It's probably impossible to get, or hard to get now. Not impossible, but hard to get. And so it starts off with your little Wenger can opener, bottle opener. Those are the opening. Oops, let me pull that out. You have your scissors. You have a knife. And please remember that this is an 82 millimeter, I think what it is. So it's shorter. It is going to be shorter than most of the 91s and 93s that I show you later. And it has a little bit of a file for your nails, and my nails really need it. So if you're at a formal event and you need to do a little hygiene, you have this to help you out with. Then for those times when you need to open up a bottle of wine, you have your corkscrew, which once again may impress people, and you have your right there. I always suggest before going to an event just to clean everything off a little bit, and then let's assume you need to go up and get a little cheese and you want to cut it. You break out your knife and boom, you just cut your cheese. People will be asking you questions. They will be impressed. The next one is much more of a winter time one than the whole year round. I don't know if you can see that. Has little snowflakes on it all the way around. This is a Pioneer X Winter Limited Edition one. I don't know how many that they made of these. Generally, someone said 10,000, and they were 2020, if I believe right, when these came out. Your typical Pioneer X stuff with your opener layer, knife, scissors, your awl. And the other nice thing about this is if you want to, there's a little attachment here that you can put on it, which is a little snowflake to add to it. I typically don't wear that because I'm always afraid that I'm going to lose it. But this is the Pioneer X Winter Edition. I think it's from 2020. The next one is the Companion. And this is one that a lot of people use. I'll start up with the back layer first. You have your little file here. And you have a little package carrier here, hook. This hook can have a lot of things that you were surprised about doing with. And of course, your can opener. I don't know if you can see that in here. I put a little pin in there, PIN. And of the ones here, this is the only one that has scale tools, and it's toothpick, tweezers, and a PEN. It does come with your knife, your opener, combo opener, and scissors. So you can be prepared for a lot of things. This one is also going to be the lightest of everything here. So that's why the Companion is probably one that a lot of people would want to carry. The limiting faction of this Companion is red in color. And so you can get away with that in the wintertime, but other seasons in formal wear, you probably won't get away with it. And I'll show you some other possibilities for formal things. Now I'm going to go to a couple of 2 newer ones that I've just used for this year. I don't know if you can see that. This is the Companion limited edition 2025. And what's nice about this, it has Damas blade. I don't know if you can see that here. I gotta adjust the light better in here. Let me just bring it up closer. I don't know if you can see that Damas blade there. It's really nice. You pull it out to cut cheese with, or to cut a piece of meat that's on a charcuterie board. It's nice, especially this wintertime, just because of this sort of stone with a little bit of that flaking, and then your silver. This is silver looking Victorinox logo. It's just, otherwise it is your basic companion. Then on the bottom you will have your, for opening your wine bottles, your awl, and your package carrier. So this has pretty much everything that you want to have in that kind of viewpoint. Let me just, I wonder why the light is so weird here. That's not helping. And then the last one that I'm going to do is the Companion Slim. I like the color of this Companion Slim. It is pretty light. It's not, well, it's actually thinner than the Compact, but it is heavier because it is ALOX. And with that, you have your opener layer that's typical nowadays, where you have your package opener, screwdriver, bottle opener. And because it doesn't have a knife, you do have scissors to cut with. This is something where if you have a nice and elegant knife that you want to have, but you don't want to just rip it out, then you can take this with you. The Wenger Evo Grip 14 Dynasty Series, Pioneer X Winter Edition, Compact, Companion 2025, and the Companion Slim. Those are the ones that I'm using this particular year. Now, in previous years and previous seasons, I have used Swiss card. You just put these inside your pocket. It comes with your scissors, a pen for writing with, toothpick, tweezers, and a little thing here. This is actually meant for turning screws, but you can use it for cleaning your nails also. I tend to like the nail one because you can use the nail file for many things. The other one I used quite a bit is Pioneer X Damas. This one is from 2016. Let's see what it says on the back to make sure. Yep, 2016. It has the basic opening layer, your reamer awl, and here your Damas blade, which is really nice. I like this a lot. The last one I'm going to talk about here is, and you're probably seeing a lot of these are based upon similar to the Pioneer X line. This is not quite a Pioneer X, but this is, some people call it a Pioneer Rancher, some people call it a Pioneer X Pruner. I'm not going to go through all the blades, but what makes it different than other Pioneer X's is that it's got a little pruner blade. And this pruner blade is actually fairly sharp. When I got it, I let it get a little dull from using, because I really don't use it that often anymore. But this is a really nice one. I like this color green, and I like the tools that are on here. It's got a little insignia of the group. So just one thing, if you're really into sacks, Victorinox, there are lots of groups all over the world, and a few of them make a special knife every year. And this was a special knife for that year, which is 2021, I do believe. You have seen all of the, what I call the formal ones that you would take on formal outings. So what do you take on like a formal outing with your Swiss Army knives? Please let me know in the comments. This is Haku EDC. Have a happy holiday season. See you in the future.
Please like, subscribe. This is Haku EDC.